So I can create the web apps using Lovable Dev or Bubble and Figma Make. Lot of options. So in that I can able to give the high level. So my workflow being a designer, it's been extended. So AI came into the market. Then immediately what happened? A lot of dev tools are implementing. So currently speaking, being a designer, I can able to work on not only the design, not only the no code website. I can able to working on web apps.
So, what new tools or workflow will be dominating in the future? What do you think about that?
See, we are living in a digital era. That means or information era, and that means every 2 to 3 years there must be a new tools. According to the tools, the workflow will change, right? So nobody can able to predict the futures. So AI came into the market. Then immediately what happened? A lot of dev tools are implementing. So currently speaking, being a designer, I can able to work on not only the design, not only the no code website. I can able to working on web apps. I can able to create, right, with the help of prompts or with the help of my high level designs. So I can create the web apps using Lovable Dev or Bubble and Figma Make. Lot of options. So in that I can able to give the high level with the detailed level I can able to provide. So my workflow being a designer, it's been extended. So now I have a choice. As an experienced one, I have a choice. Do I need to limit my scope of work or I have to accept the challenges and expand it myself? So this is for everybody. But my recommendation for the beginners, you have to extend your limits.
Okay.
You see the things. Now this is a time for you to grow. Every 5 years, 6 years, there is a turmoil. There is a confusions when it comes to the technology part. So when I started design in the year 1999 to 2004, there is a huge turmoil on tools, softwares. What tools should I use for printing? What tool should I use for 3D? Right? So 3D also I have a lot of choices. One was a 3ds Max was there. Earlier AutoCAD was there. 3ds Max came. Then Maya came. Then Soft Image came. Then in between there is a lot of small tools are came into the market. So that also we were start using. Finally, all the tools are merging one point. Now everything comes under 3ds.
Okay.
Now same I was using Photo Paint. It became Photoshop. Then everything was there. Then Photoshop Illustrator was there. Parallelly, I was using for CorelDRAW. So these are on the software side. But the software was stable, but interface was same. So when I started involving on web design in the year 2000, I have one single thing. The monitors are TFT monitor, whether it could be 14-inch or 15-inch monitor. I have to do the design for 1024 by 768 pixel till 2010.
Okay.
10 years I'm happy. I don't have any problem. I do the design in Photoshop, export it into HTML from Photoshop, then open in the HTML file in Dreamweaver. Haram se I can live the websites. I don't have any problem. The year 2010, there is a problem arises. One side smartphone came into the market, the smaller sizes are emerging.
Responsive design.
Other side, the TFT monitor, they are introducing the LCD, LED monitors. Then the desktops and the laptops and all, they are having the different sizes.
Got bigger and bigger.
1140 pixel is coming into the market and 1280 came into the market, 1366 came into the market. Then how do you handle it? Then we are start using for boilerplate.
Okay. What is it?
Boilerplate. Boilerplate was the first gen responsive web design work frame. It's a what do you call it? It's a framework. Then 960 GS came, 960 grid system. Then 2011, Twitter launched this Bootstrap grid system.
Twitter launched it.
Twitters.
Okay.
Then only we start using 2012 onwards. It become popular. Bootstrap version 1, 2, 2 point odd. Now it's been 6 or 5, I think.
5, I think. Yeah.
5. So imagine, so from 2010 to 12, I have to design for 7 different interfaces. So how do I do that? So being a designer from the old school, the printing also I was using. So we done the one master creative. We are adapting that creative into different sizes. So A4 poster, A3 poster, the big billboards, hoardings, and TV commercials. So different sizes we were using. So same fashion, we can also do the same thing for responsive web design.
Okay.
So the tech came. So that 3 years was very turmoil. Everybody got confused. A lot of people they want to stick with the Photoshop and Illustrator. They all stuck their life. Whomever daringly accept the challenge, they are evolving like anything. You got a point?
Yeah.
So now again the same turmoil. These 3 years. So there is a development also. AI is doing that. So
Yeah.
it's producing the high level, what you call the coding and
Coding,
all.
everything is
Everything is produced. So being a designer, I have to give the inputs to the AI tools and getting the things done, right? So we can learn, nothing wrong on it. So learning also is very easy nowadays. Only the prompting also available. Everything is open source.
Yeah.
That is the biggest problem. You are getting more choices and opportunities, so you are lagging the focus,
creativity also.
the creativity, thinking, critical thinking. So that is what I was saying earlier. That is very important.